Hi and smiles, everyone, and welcome. Colleen here. So, I have a Temu haul for you today, and it's a variety of things type of Temu haul. And I'll just let you know right now that I don't tend to give prices because they vary so much from country to country, but I will say that they are very competitive and very good prices on Temu. So I'm going to just jump right in. So to start with, I got some bags of rings, and I got these for my grandchildren. They come in different sizes, and they are just so they can have fun. The one is really getting into these types of wanting pretty jewelry and things like that. And they can play make believe with these, or they can wear them to school, whatever they want to do, right? And then if they lose them, no big deal. So I got this package, and it has some blue stones in it. And there's like several here. There's probably, well, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 different ones in this package. And the thing about these rings is they are only a couple of dollars. If they're over a couple of dollars, they're not over 3 in Canadian dollars. So that's why I got them. I think they'll have a lot of fun with them. So I got a whole bunch of, I got some different sets. This more looks like diamonds. So I think she'll really like that. And both granddaughters will enjoy these. So they're just a variety of rings. And of course, you yourself can wear these rings. They're not going to last, but they're not bad quality at all. And for a couple of dollars, you can wear them a few times, and that's good enough. Then this one has like black stones and just different, all kinds of different ones here. And then I got 5 sets of these, and there's from, like, that one was 13, some of them have 15, some of this one I think has 20 different rings. And so these are just gold ones. It's a pretty little butterfly, and yeah, so they can just enjoy these any way they want. So, and then this one has got leaves on it all the way around it. There's that set. So there's not really so much stones in that one. And then this one has like opal type stones, and it's gold. So yes, they will very much, I think, really enjoy having these. I'll just get this put back in and whip. And I'm going to be seeing them this weekend, so I think I will give them some of these, and then I will keep some at the house, so when they come to stay with us and they want to play dress up or whatever, they'll have these to use to do that. So that's the one thing. And then I got this here, and it is like a sports bra, whatever you want to call it. I'm just looking on here to see if they have the name on here. No, it just says cream. But anyway, like I said, I will have everything in the description box below, and you'll be able to go to the link and find them. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty lace, and then it's got sports girl at the bottom. And what I got it for is I loved the straps on here for those shirts that have spaghetti straps. And me being me, I'm going to always wear a bra, and this way we would have this under the shirt and these pretty straps would be showing. So I thought it was very nice, so I got that. And then the other thing I got for myself, I had a wedding celebration coming up, and I needed some new shoes, and I decided to go kind of bold with these shoes. So I got myself some red shoes, and I'll be wearing red pearls and stuff like that with my outfit. Aren't these beautiful? Just gorgeous and very reasonably priced, and they have a little heel on them. And yeah, I just fell in love with these red shoes, and I have tried them on already and they fit well, and I'm going to enjoy these. They're not the softest on the inside, but it is not something that I'm going to be walking in all day. I would never walk in shoes like this all day, but for an event, they're perfect. So, yeah, and I was very pleased when I seen how nice they really were. They were almost nicer looking. They're nicer than what they look like on the site. Okay, and then I got a few crafty things. I got this grommet tool. And I thought it might work with eyelets too, but it doesn't, because it has the V side to it. It sinks in. But it is good for snaps and leather type. If you're joining things to leather, this will be perfect for that. And so it was very inexpensive, so that's what I got it for. Okay. And then the rest is fabrics that I picked up. I found this fabric, and with the music notes on it, isn't this pretty? And oh, it's going to work so nice in journals or even on a cover of a journal. And I think what I'm going to do, because it's quite white, is I'm going to tea dye it, and you get quite a bit of it. So that I really, really was happy with. And then I got another canvas fabric with these flowers. Like, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Now, this, of course, for journals, but I also thought this would make a great bag or a pillow, right, for your house. And you get quite a bit of it again. And again, the prices were so reasonable that I couldn't pass it up. So I got that one. And then for some reason, I had gotten this in the last haul, and I don't know how, but I reordered it, and I didn't mean to, but that's okay because I will certainly use it. And it is 50 centimeters by 150 centimeters. And like I said, the price was so good that it's fine that I got another piece of fabric like this. I will certainly use it up. And then I got a set of fabrics, and they're all in a brown, and they are 20 by 20. So there's, you know, a fair amount of, just trying to get this so that it's in the middle. I think there we go. And I'll show you the different fabrics here. Okay. All right. So they're 20 by 20, so they're nice size. And this is the stars, which is very pretty. And then we've got a leopard print right here, which again is very nice. And all these fabrics will coordinate with each other really well. And then we've got this more beige with, they're like little flowers all through it. Really liking that. And then we've got this one. Again, they're gonna they all match really well, so you can use them in one project. You could use all of these fabrics. And then the polka dots. And then this one. I really do love this one. I think I had gotten some with another set that's very similar to this, and I just really liked it. So I'm happy to get another piece of it. I think the other one, the flowers were a little smaller than this one, but it's close to the same. So anyway, these, like I said, will all coordinate with each other. So I like that idea. I may do a quilting kind of project with these because they do come together so well. So that is everything this time that I got in this haul. So like I said, once again, all the links will be down below in the description box. And excuse me, please don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment. Press that notification bell and you'll always know when I'm putting up a new video. And I want you all to have a lovely, lovely day and a crafty kind of day. And we will see and talk to you soon. Bye for now.